Good morning, girls. Children, yesterday I had started with you the chapter Coordinate Geometry, and today I will be doing some questions from the exercise. Actually, this chapter is very easy. It is only that you have to plot the points. I explained you yesterday also what is a Cartesian plane, that is, what is a coordinate plane, and what are the four quadrants. And if we have to plot any point on that Cartesian plane, where will we having the positive x and y coordinates, where will we have negative coordinates. So we can revise quickly once again. Suppose I say that if this okay if this is y, this is x, and this is the center point, this side is positive, yes, this is a negative side of x-axis, then this is the positive side of the y-axis, and this is the negative side of the y-axis. Okay, then I told you that there are four quadrants, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? In this quadrant, the first one, the coordinates of x and y both will be positive. Here it will be negative and positive, that is minus x and y, and this is both negative. In the third quadrant, both will be negative, and both the points in the fourth quadrant will be one negative and one positive, that is x will be positive and y will be negative. Now I also told you what is the x coordinate called. X coordinate is called abscissa, and the y coordinate is called the ordinate. Okay, so you have to understand these terms, what is an abscissa and what is an ordinate. Now children, the exercise of this chapter is very easy, right? In 3.1 there is hardly anything. They are saying to how will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person. So there is a theory given behind this in this on this page, so you can just go through it and answer this question. So exercise 3.1, you can do it yourself. There is nothing much. You have just to read the question theoretically and write down the answers. Then in the next exercise, that is exercise 3.2. Okay, now there are examples also. Examples are also easy. And in the second exercise, that is 3.2, they have given you some questions. And the question you will read, you will answer them. Like the first one is, the first question says, write the answer to each of the following questions. What is the name of the horizontal and the vertical lines which is drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? So what is a horizontal line called? X-axis. What is a vertical line called? Y-axis. Okay. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? What is the name of each part? Each part is called the quadrant. Okay, then write the name of the point where the two lines intersect. This is a point and this point is called origin. Okay, so these are very simple questions. Now in question number 2, when you will go refer to your textbook, in question number 2 they are asking you to write the coordinates of B, coordinates of C, the point identified by the coordinates -3, -5. Now from where you will get these answers? Now this is the page. Now this is the page, means this diagram is given, that is diagram number or the figure number 3.14. Based on this, they are asking you questions. What are the coordinates of B? What are the coordinates of C? And the point which you can identify by -3, -5. So this is just reading this graph, that is reading these points and answering the questions. They are also asking you to find out the abscissa of the point D. Now you know what is abscissa. Abscissa is the x coordinate. What is the ordinate of point H? So when you will go through this exercise, when you will see this diagram, this picture, you will see that there are points given, H, B, M, G, C, D, and depending on these points you will be able to answer the questions. Okay, and if you have any doubt children, you can ask me, because this is a very easy exercise, first one also as well as the second one. Now coming to the third exercise, this plotting of the points you have learnt in class 8th also, and I explained yesterday also. 3.3 exercise says that there are points given. Okay, I'll not rub this. The points are given -2, minus 2, 4, right? The first point given is minus 2, 4. The second point which is given is 3 and minus 1. The third point is given as minus 1, 0. And the fourth point, that is 1 and 2 and minus 3, minus 5. Okay. Now they have given such points in question number 1. This is exercise 3.3. They are asking you in which quadrant they will lie. Okay. Now where is minus 2 and 4 going to lie? Minus 2 and 4 is going to lie in the second quadrant, right? Then 3 and minus 1 is going to lie in the fourth quadrant. Minus 1 and 0 is going to lie in the second quadrant, right? 1 and 2 is going to lie in the first quadrant. Minus 3, minus 5 is going to lie in the third quadrant. Now, this is what you're going to write. But now they are saying to verify this whether your answer is correct or not. Means you have to draw the 4 quadrants, x-axis and y-axis, and then you have to show that this lies in the second, this lies in the fourth, this lies in the second, and this lies in the first and the third quadrant. So I think you will be able to plot the points. If you have any doubt, children, if you're not able to do, you can ask me, right? So if you want, I can show you. Yeah, like if this is suppose I take a point minus 2 and 4. Now minus 2 and 4, minus 2, 4. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Now I want minus 2 and 4. So I will only concentrate on this part. So if I take here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. I will not take more points because I don't need them. Then here also I will take 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I want minus 2, right? This is minus 2 and this is 4. So here will be the point, right? So you will show the plotting of the point in a particular Cartesian plane and you will verify that what you have written is correct. Yes. So now this is minus 2 and 4. Okay. So this is how you're going to verify it. So I hope this is very easy and you'll be able to do it. Then in the next question they are asking you that you have to plot the points choosing a convenient scale. Now minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, x, 1, 0, 1 and 3. Okay. So these are the points which are given. These are the points which are given for x coordinate and these are the points which are given for y coordinate. So obviously you will match with minus 2 and 8. Okay, like how the table is given. This is a table given. This is x and this is the y, right? The coordinates are minus 2 and 8. Then this is minus 1, 7, 0, minus 1.25 and so on. So you will take these two, that is x and y, minus 2, comma 8, and you will plot this in the Cartesian plane and you will complete your exercise. And you will also complete some examples also which are given in this chapter. So what you do today, you start working on this chapter. Okay, tomorrow I will take up some more questions. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me, right? And you can take a graph sheet if you want. And if you want, you can do it in your notebook also. So whichever way is convenient for you, you can do it. Okay. And I don't think so you will have any problem in this chapter. Okay, it's a very easy chapter and complete it within 1 or 2 days. And then I'll give you some extra questions also. And then we'll begin with the new chapter. Okay. Now complete your work. Any doubts, you can ask me. And thank you. Have a nice day.